right, so the next tree that we're going to be doing, this may look familiar. This is from the video from last year where we, from the massive tridents, potting up massive tridents. This is that twin trunk that we did. Stuart can kind of give us a little history on this one.
All right, so this trident actually was grown through a DVD center, and it's just 2 trees because I was experimenting with how many stick together at one time. So actually it's the fusion of 2 trees, which you can see it fused down here. There may be a little crease in there. Anyway, I planted this tree, I think 6 years ago. This may be its 7th year. We dug it up last year and put it in a grow box, and then this year we're going to put it in a pot. And as you can see, this is where we did the first chop cut for the apex to get the diameter in the trunks. So we sacrificed the tops, and this one has an apex growing out in the front, and this one has one growing out in the back. So the actual angle of the trunks at the top will be definitely off center, which is what you want, depending on which front we pick. Anyway, it turned out really well and symmetrical. It's got a nice taper and should make a great bonsai tree.
Awesome.
So, and I think it's about probably about 7 years old.
Nice. Well, what we'll do is we'll get this guy out of the box, get the roots cleaned up, and then what we'll do is kind of get it in the pot, and then we'll select a front that kind of works best for the future design, and then we'll take it from there. All right. Oops, sorry.
Salvageable.
All right. That's only being in a box for 1 year. So I'm gonna do this. Like that. Let's rotate it. Pick it up here. Yep. Rotate it for you. Yeah. Yeah, this is the result you get when you prep the roots before you kind of pot it up. After you've dug it up, you'll be able to have these nice set of roots. you go. You wanna
A little bit off.
yeah.
That's pretty loose.
Yeah. We can. That up. Yeah, I think the height's good.
Yeah, I think we're okay with that. We can always cut it back later next year.
Or do you think it needs to level out more over here?
In
Or
fact, if
how
anything, I would.
how it's sitting right now, it's
I
good?
think it's just like that. Yeah, I think
Okay.
it's fine.
All right.
Because we'll cover that up with sphagnum moss.
We'll get some
Some tubing. Where do you
tubing.
want to go under? Either way.
We
you
can't
want?
go under.
You want? Can't go under.
Yeah, it's solid.
I got some TV. Measure that. Got it. Not very good wire. Got a lot of stretch to it. That's fine.
Yeah,
That's
it's
pretty good.
it's solid. There you go. You got that side.
Hang on a second. Get this. I'm gonna go under here. Hang on. Let's go under that. Yeah, that's too deep. Go under that one. Towards you. You get it? Hang on. Let's see if I can. There you go.
I got him.
There you go. Okay. Cool. Pretty steady. All right.